I'm Rob Allen of Therapeutic Dimensions. We're going to demonstrate how to do a basic shoulder pulley exercise. All therapeutic exercise should be done with the advice and direction of your medical professional. Seated with the injured shoulder closest to the door, sit at a 45-degree angle. Not out to the side, not straight ahead. Back far enough away from the door so that your arm is comfortably extended. Grasp the handle with your thumb facing out and your palm facing up. As you start the exercise, remember to keep your shoulder blade down and relaxed. Try not to lift your elbow higher than your shoulder socket. Bring it down to a comfortable position. Use your healthy arm to pull down and elevate the impaired side. Go up and down as fast or slow as comfortable, keeping the affected arm completely relaxed and the shoulder blade down. If you feel pain, don't go quite so high. If you can't find a pain-free range of motion, stop. Don't do this exercise again without consulting your medical advisor. Shoulder pulley exercises are done to help you reduce pain through passive movement. You can do these exercises several times a day, as often as you want.